Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming power and identity. Replace weak batteries and hold the remote 1 to 3 meters from the AC so the infrared can reach the sensor. Once done, switch the air conditioner on manually and read or note the model number. This helps you select the right code set. Make sure the unit is in a basic cooling or fan mode. Complex modes can confuse code tests, and then move on to programming. Now program the remote. Press and hold the SET or prog button until the LED blinks, which tells you the remote is listening. Next, either input the brand code from the manual or run the auto search while pointing at the AC. Press power periodically to detect a response. Test temperature and mode buttons as you go. If the power reacts but other features don't, continue cycling codes or rerun the auto search. That ensures full feature mapping rather than just basic on/off. Finish by saving the working code. Press OK or SET briefly so the remote locks the configuration. Then verify every major control: power, temperature, fan speed, and swing. If something fails, first check the IR emitter window for dirt, confirm battery orientation and strength, and ensure you're within 1-3 meters with clear line of sight. If still unsuccessful, restart the AC and remote, then repeat the code search or try alternate brand code lists. This usually resolves stubborn compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.